This is how to order a glow-in-the-dark transfer.
First, go to WeMust.com.
To place an order, you will need to create an account with us.
So click on My Account and it will bring you to this page. From there, click on Create an Account and enter your details. Once done, go back to the home page and click on Catalog.
And choose glow-in-the-dark transfers.
Once here, go ahead and upload your design by clicking here. We suggest uploading your files in the following file formats. To get the best results as possible, these files are best. Once your file has been uploaded, our website will automatically detect the size and area in inches. You can also leave notes for our designers. If you have any concerns for removing or keeping certain aspects of your design, you can change the width or height by either entering it manually or clicking on the plus or minus icons. You can do the same actions when picking the quantity. Before checking out, scroll down and check out the following information. If you have any concerns regarding how to heat press, about our delivery, or pricing. Once you've checked out, click on Add to Cart. This will bring up your cart.
And if you want to print and ship out the same day, select the rush order option.
Once you decided, click on Checkout. At the checkout page, enter name and address, along with your credit card information, and pay now.